AnyDesk is a popular remote desktop application. However, users cannot utilize that app when it doesn't work. So if AnyDesk app is slow or not launching at all in Windows 11, try implementing these potential fixes to kickstart it. Now, if the AnyDesk app is not working, then your first port of call must be restarting your computer. Third-party programs rely on many system services to run correctly. And oftentimes, apps cannot access all these important services needed to open the app. So after restarting, open the AnyDesk app and check if the problem continues. Next, check the AnyDesk app server. You can check the AnyDesk server status by visiting its AnyDesk status website. There, check the network status of your continent. Now, if the servers are down, there's nothing much you can do other than to patiently wait while AnyDesk fixes the issue. Also, at times, Windows Firewall can also consider AnyDesk as a malicious app and stop it from opening on your computer. So to fix this, go to Control Panel, choose System and Security, select the Allow an App through Windows Firewall option. Under the Windows Defender Firewall section, click the Change Settings option, and in the Allowed Apps and Features list, search for AnyDesk app. Now you have to check the private and public checkboxes for the AnyDesk app. Once done, click OK to save the changes, and then restart your computer and check if the problem persists. So that's how to fix AnyDesk not working on your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.